You think being nice makes you a good person. It doesn't. It makes you invisible. You smile when you're uncomfortable. You say sorry when it's not your fault. You let people interrupt you, walk over you, and take advantage of your silence. And you call that kindness? Nah, that's fear dressed up in a smile. Let me say it clearly. People don't respect nice. They respect boundaries. They respect the one who says no without flinching. They respect the one who speaks last but means every damn word. Here's the harsh truth. You're not nice because you care. You're nice because you want approval. You're scared of being disliked. And that fear is exactly why they don't take you seriously. Nice guys get ghosted. Nice girls get drained. Nice people get forgotten. Start being kind, not nice. There's a difference. Kindness comes from strength. Niceness comes from fear. Say what you mean. Set hard boundaries. Be okay with being disliked, because if you're liked by everyone, you're probably lying to someone, maybe even yourself. So, here's your challenge. The next time someone disrespects you, don't smile, don't shrink, don't apologize. Stand tall. Look them in the eye and say the thing your nice self is too scared to say. Respect isn't given to the quiet, it's earned by the bold. Wake up, show up, and stop being so damn nice.